afternoon, Aspendale Primary School families, and welcome to your Week 2 Assembly. I'm Miss Warner and I'm one of the Foundation teachers. I'd like to start today's Assembly by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today. I'd like to pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging, and to any Aboriginal elders who may be watching today. You're now invited to stand up for the National Anthem. On behalf of the staff at Aspendale Primary School, I would like to say a big thank you to each family for your continued support and efforts as we've adjusted back to remote learning. The staff are incredibly proud of the students and how they've navigated all of the changes and challenges of the year. So thank you to everyone for continuing to show a positive attitude, for being willing to have a go and try new things, and for remembering to bring a smile to the screen each morning. I'm now going to hand over to our Collins leaders, Ruby and James, to announce the Students of the Week.
Welcome to Assembly. Hi, I'm Jimmy, one of your Collins House captains. Hope we're all ready for another remote assembly.
And I'm Ruby, the other Collins House captain. Welcome back. We're going to head straight to the peer leaders today with some advice about monitoring your device time.
Hi, I'm Anna and I'm one of your peer leaders. This week's topic is how to be healthy online. Some tips are: give yourself a time limit to when to get off your device and have a little rest. Follow a schedule to go outside and play. And try to do some of your work by hand and not always on your device.
Son, get off the device! You've been on it for hours! We need to find a way to solve this problem. So son, life is all about a balance. What you need to focus on right now is staying healthy online and managing your time on your device. There are 3 good ways to do that. Number 1, setting an alarm on your device so you know when you are gonna get off. Number 2, plan when you are gonna get off your device and when you are going on it. Number 3, just have some fun in your life. Just go outside, play games and everything.
Yes, Dad, you're right. Let's go outside and have some fun. Woohoo!
Now, son, ways to be healthy online and not going on your device as much is tip number 1. So, son, life is all about balance. So, what you need to focus on right now is staying healthy online and keeping
Hi guys, Mav here. I'm one of your peer leaders for this year, and this week's topic is monitoring your time on your device. A couple things I do to monitor my time on my device is I take an hour break each day to get outside and stretch my legs, and sometimes I write some of my work by hand so I can focus on my handwriting and turn off my device. You might want to do that, or you might have some other ideas. Thanks, see ya!
Thanks, peer leaders. We hope everyone is making sure they get some time out each day to stretch their legs, rest their eyes, and jump off the screen.
It's a tough one, but we need to look after our health and well-being. Now it's time for Student of the Week.
Awarded to Mattis Runyon-Knowles and Madeline Blount for working through remote learning with a positive attitude and contributing to online meetings with a smile. Awarded to Janish Capers for his excellent work in literacy this week. I can see you are working hard to bump up your writing. Well done. Awarded to Emmy Bennett for your awesome effort in literacy on our Noun Hunt. Superstar. Awarded to Isla Willamar of FW for always bringing a positive attitude, a bright smile and beautiful manners to the screen each day. Awarded to Robert Tisia for diligently turning up to his individual and group sessions and carefully concentrating on improving his learning.
Awarded to Emily Player for being a superstar during remote learning, showing organisation and beautiful work. Awarded to Lee Prater for using excellent expression and really working hard on her fluency when reading poems. Awarded to Sienna Thomas for always being positive when approaching her learning and for looking out for others when always demonstrating compassion and care. Keep being a star. Awarded to Lucy Cronin of 2C for a wonderful perseverance and initiative to complete other work when having technology problems. Great thinking, Lucy. Awarded to Grace Yapay of 2M for attending many online reading, writing and math sessions to work with others to
Awarded to Nash Murray for his fantastic attitude to challenge himself with his online tasks. Keep up the great work. Awarded to Sebastian Moyer for showing commitment and dedication to his online learning experience. Keep it up, Seb. Awarded to Molly Woodhouse for a fantastic transition back into the Google Classroom and making the most of this virtual learning environment. Awarded to Finlay Van Polifet for his enthusiasm during the Unit of Inquiry, How the World Works. You showed confidence when sharing your knowledge of South America. Keep up the great work. Awarded to Cyan Kozalki for writing some sensational prepositional phrases to creatively describe different times of the day. Awarded to Bryony Kerr for using her schema and evidence to make deep and considered inferences about picture storybooks.
Awarded to Grace O'Brien for her effort to create an accurate and detailed scientific report this week. Great job, Grace. Awarded to Nikki from Year 5 for a great start to Term 3's online learning. I've loved seeing your enthusiasm and commitment to learning this week. Well done.
Awarded to Hannah Gregg for her massive commitment to remaining organised and remembering her live sessions and always working hard to complete her work to a high standard. Well done, Hannah.
Maddie Rogers for involving herself in discussions during small group work, taking an extension task and blitzing through her division work this week. You're a champion.
Awarded to Charlie Leake for dedication, care and thoughtfulness through our remote learning. You set the bar high, Charlie. Keep it up. Awarded to Bella McKay for your dedication and high standard of work during remote learning. It's pleasing to see what you're capable of. Keep up the good work. Physical Education Student of the Week, awarded to Jordan Myers. Awarded to Azalea Takis for being a wonderful participant on our WebEx. It's so great to hear thoughts and ideas. Awarded to Jasper White for always having such a positive and open-mind attitude during our group meetings. Awarded to Jimmy Zhang for being such a contributor in our small group meetings this week. Well done, mate.
Where is the moment we need it the most? You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. Tell me your blue skies fade to grey. Tell me your passion's gone away. And I don't need no carrying on. You're standing in line just to hit a new low. You're faking a smile with the coffee to go. And tell me your life's been way offline. You fall into pieces every time. And I don't need no carrying on. 'Cause you had a bad day. You're taking one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know. You tell me don't lie. You're working a smile and you go alright. You had a bad day.
Congratulations on your hard work, everyone.
Hope everybody has a great weekend and get outside into the fresh air.